Traders, good morning. Today is the first trading day of the week, 7th of August 2023. Guys, we had amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you how I analyze market at the Euro USD. And if you look at the Euro USD for our chart, at the market open, that's what we explained to our trader. If you look ahead, the price nicely respected this the previous high. And if you look at this candlestick pattern, this is basically give you the inside bearish inside candle pattern as explained to my trader at the market open. If the market is going to break this level, then keep taking a pullback short trade. We are expecting here around this level. We'll see if the market is going to respect, then pull back long, otherwise short. Let me share with you how I analyze the market and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. You can see here at the market open, that's pretty straightforward as explained to my trader. Let the market break. If you look ahead, the market broken, and after the breakout, market retest the support level. That give us the high probability beautiful short trade as soon as the price hit to the first target. Explain my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if we can get another pullback. After banking this profit, as you can see here, London open, as explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. Pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the price nicely developed pullback as mentioned here. Beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous low as mentioned in 4 hour, and that's what I explained my trader. Either you can bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So guys, if you want to see all that analysis in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day, guys.